Oilfield Integration Technology Services Provider, Oilfield Comprehensive Program Solutions Provider. The Oilfield Services Division of Kerui Holding Group is committed to provide the best services and the most practical products for oil fields all over the world. Kerui provides professional nitrogen and nitrogen foam services, acidizing and fracturing services, coiled tubing services, and heavy oil thermal recovery services. The business of Kerui covers world major oil fields and achieved the good effect of enhancing recovery. Nitrogen and nitrogen foam services. Nitrogen and nitrogen foam services have wide applications. Operations and production services of all types of oil field have obtained good effects. Nitrogen generation realized by means of membrane separating using the difference in coefficient of solubility and diffusivity of various gases in the hollow fiber membrane enrich nitrogen from the air. Then a booster pressurize the nitrogen in certain purity and make it ready for use. High-pressure nitrogen and a foam solution mixed by foam generator, which forms a stable nitrogen foam liquid. Nitrogen foam liquid featured with adjustable density, high stability, little affected by normal temperature and pressure change, high viscosity, good cuttings transportation, the shear thinning. Easier plugging, high permeability lasers than lower ones. Foam decomposes when mixed with oil and keeps stable with water. Easier plugging water zone than oil zone. Widely used for flow-inducing, sand washing, plug removal, profile control of steam half-puff valve operation, flooding perfection in water or gas injection, foam diversion, acidification, underbalanced drilling, ground facility knitting and purging, and other field services. Foam sand washing. Severe leakage occurs when using normal flushing liquid in wells with low reservoir pressure, causing difficulty to establish flushing circulation and leading to sand sticking and other accidents easily. The density of foam fluid is low and easy to adjust. It can successfully establish flushing circulation in oil sleeve and result in less leakage and formation contaminant. The viscosity of foam fluid is high and the frictional resistance is low. The sand carrying capacity is 10 times that of clean water, carrying gravel out of the well bore completely, particularly suitable for horizontal wells sand washing. Shuffling plug removal. During the exploitation of oil wells, impurities in the formation migrate into the near wellbore with the formation fluid, producing blockage that blocks the oil flow channels and causing the decline of production. Utilize the foam half-puff and circulation shuffling technology and the low density of foam fluid to establish relative formation negative pressure in the bottom of the well, which could make the formation fluid spray at high speed, discharge the blockage near the wellbore, and carry the contaminants out of the wellbore using the strong carrying capability of the foam. Foam diversion acidification. The result of a conventional acidification in heterogeneous formation, oil-water coexisting leisure, re-acidizing and leakage well is not satisfactory. Foamed acid has acidification capacity and foam characteristics simultaneously. Plugging big pore, not plug small pore. Plugging water, not plug oil. Be selective on different permeability formations and oil-water layers to achieve the purpose of acid well distributing and diversion acidizing. The reaction speed of a foamed acid acidizing is slow, which could realize reservoir deep acidification come true. Foam flooding in water gas injection wells. The traditional development of water gas injection is likely to cause water channeling, gas channeling, and low displacement efficiency due to the heterogeneity of the formation and the viscosity differences between water, gas, and reservoir oil. Using nitrogen foam flooding can increase the swept volume and displacement efficiency, improve the oil-water mobility ratio, adjust the injection profile, and enlarge sweep volume. Foam deforms when it comes to oil and is stable when it comes to water. It can form a stable jam where the water saturation is high, not to plug the oil flow path. Nitrogen foam profile in steam half-puff wells. Steam channeling is a series in heavy oil steam injection thermal recovery wells. Influenced by formation heterogeneity, the development effect of a thermal recovery is bad due to steam overlay and low steam sweep efficiency. Nitrogen foam forms foam layer in the formation, which could reduce steam flow, improve steam injection pressure and steam swept volume, and efficiently resolve steam extent and steam overlay. This could increase the steam injection of medium-low permeable layers and high oil saturation layers in order to make steam well distributed and improve the utilization of steam. Foam underbalanced drilling. Using foam underbalanced drilling makes it easy to adjust the gas-liquid ratio and achieve underbalanced. The performance of the foam carrying property is good. In the condition of low speed of drilling fluid circulating, the performance of liquid and scarp carrying is good. Strengths: 1. Promptly identify and effectively protect the reservoirs. 2. Evaluate the reservoirs while drilling. 3. Improve the ROP. 4. Avoid lost circulation and prevent sticky suction and stuck drill. 5. Improve exploration efficiency as a whole. Nitrogen can also be used in purging and replacing the pipeline of oil and natural gas. Widely used in low permeability oilfield gas injection flooding and maintaining pressure production. Kerui Acidizing and Fracturing Company Limited is affiliated with the Oilfield Services Business Division of the Kerui Group. Our pumping services company has a full range of acidizing and hydraulic fracturing equipment, supported by our own fit-for-purpose Kerui equipment manufacturing facility that includes integrated conventional and unconventional acid fracturing engineering, acidizing and fracturing technology services. The advanced acidizing and fracturing equipment. Our company's full range of fracturing units include the Type 1200, Type 2250, Type 2500, and Type 3000 series of pumps that are suitable for all acidizing and fracturing applications. The full range of Kerui equipment for pumping services has a leading-edge state-of-the-art design and uses imported components from the United States with guaranteed quality and equipment reliability. The full range of Kerui fracturing equipment has high precision and is equipped with advanced and fully integrated intelligent control systems, real-time monitoring, and data acquisition capabilities that meet and exceed international standards, ensuring construction safety and reliability. Systematic reservoir stimulation and transformation technology. The Kerui Pumping Services Division is supported by an independent reservoir stimulation and technology department research institute which focuses on conventional and unconventional reservoirs. Our company has advanced stimulation technologies for conventional wells, tight sandstone reservoirs, poolbed methane, and nano-Darcy shale gas. We have a geological evaluation service for pre-treatment hydraulic fracturing support that includes in-house theoretical research, fracturing fluid selection, proppant selection, hydraulic fracturing optimization design, fracturing real-time monitoring technology, and a post-treatment evaluation, where we can provide fracturing and acidizing treatment programs according to individual reservoir conditions. Our company has developed leading-edge technologies for multi-stage fracturing of horizontal wells. Open-hole packer stacked fracturing well completion technology. Firstly, we install the completion technology liner string, which includes tools that include open-hole packers for zonal isolation and sleeve ports for establishing communication between the reservoir and the wellbore. Secondly, the liner string is activated and operated from surface by dropping balls and hydrostatically by building pressure to achieve effective zonal isolation and perform multi-stage fracturing operations. Plug and perf staged pumping of bridge plug and perforation guns for multi-stage fracturing combination technology. First, we use TCP tubing conveyor perforating and then proceed to casing fracturing. After the first stage is hydraulically fractured, a bridge plug is set. Bridge plug and perforating guns for the consecutive stages are conveyed by way of wireline and pumping. After perforating, we chip out of hole and proceed to the next stage casing fracturing treatment. The above steps are repeated until the multi-stage hydraulic fracturing treatment is completed. Coiled tubing sand jet perforation subsection fracturing technology. At the corresponding reservoir depth, we perform abrasive perforating through coiled tubing with an abrasive perforating device for establishing communication between the reservoir and the wellbore, and zonal isolation with a retrievable packer. The hydraulic fracturing fluid is then pumped through the annulus to achieve high proppant concentrations. The coiled tubing is pulled up to the next section and the process repeated until the multi-stage hydraulic fracturing treatment is completed. Coiled tubing and cemented sliding sleeve fracturing technology. We trip the coiled tubing well completion string with a fracturing tool and a straddle packer to the required well depth adjacent to a preset sliding sleeve. The preset sliding sleeve is opened hydrostatically through the coiled tubing. We can then proceed to fracturing operations through the coiled tubing. After operations for each stage are completed, we pick up the string to the next stage and repeat the above process until the multi-stage hydraulic fracturing treatment is completed. Powerful research, development, and design capability. Our company has an expert international-level fracturing team, which consists of subject matter experts from abroad and domestic, with a high-level fracturing and acidizing skills and design skills, with a complementary high-level technology and research and development. Fracturing and acidizing designs are optimized, with enhanced acidizing and fracturing results. We have introduced a suite of three-dimensional fracturing design software, which is used for all aspects of fracturing and simulation design, analysis, optimization, production forecasting, economic evaluation, and real-time monitoring. We have established in China an acid and fracturing laboratory that is equipped with advanced acid and fracturing test instruments that includes capabilities for high temperature and pressure corrosion resistance, high temperature dynamic acidizing corrosimeter analysis, fracture conductivity testing for fracturing, and added fully equipped regional laboratories abroad. Kerui Acidizing and Fracturing Company Limited depends on advanced technology, powerful drivers, and high-quality service to offer the best quality technology services for oil and gas field development for domestic and foreign markets. Coiled tubing services. Advanced equipment. Kerui Group Coiled Tubing Technology Services Corporation is affiliated with the Oilfield Services Business Division of the Kerui Group. There are three types advanced equipment: skid type, special vehicle type, and a trailer-mounted type. which includes a variety of sizes of coiled tubing equipment. The injection head has the advantages of large load and stable operation, and it equips the automatic protection device for overload and overspeed, which can meet the construction requirements. The level for full-featured wellhead blowout preventers is 70 megapascal to 105 megapascal. The inside diameter is from 2.56 to 5.125, which can meet the needs of a different operation. Kerui is equipped with a professional engineering simulation software and advanced data acquisition and processing system. The sets of coiled tubing equipment are equipped with lime instruments. There were 3 advantages: run hydraulic analysis for downhole operation and record throughout the engineering. Analyze the fatigue and yield strength of coiled tubing in real time and count the column length. Obtain the detailed data by analyzing coiled tubing operation. Coiled tubing technology introduction. Kerui Group Coiled Tubing Technology Services Corporation has a mature application of various downhole tools and technical experts with experience to working. We can provide conventional downhole operations, stimulation operations of coiled tubing services, conventional downhole operations, sand washing, cement operation, drill grinding, carting, well logging, fishing, hydraulic jet perforation, flowing back technical services. Compared with the traditional operation, coiled tubing downhole operation has obvious advantages. Seal is reliable in round trip, operator under pressure, high safety in operation. No killing operation does less damage to the formation and effectively protect reservoir. No limit on type of wells, save on operating time, multi-depth and multi-level perforating in an operation. Operation through tubing can complete cleaning. Cement operation, drilling plug operation. Avoid a frequent round trip to production stream. Convenient operation, high efficient. Stimulation operations. Acidizing technology, combined sandblasting perforation and a fracturing straddle packer technology. Formation damage in the process of oil and gas well drilling. Completion and production will seriously restrict the production capacity of the oil well. Acidizing, chemical cleaning, fracturing by using coiled tubing on the target laser, reduce the formation damage. Formation acidizing technology works directly in production wells. Don't need to kill well. Inject nitrogen directly after the operation to flow back rapidly and resume production. Accomplish scale cleanout and declogging at the same time. Combined sandblasting perforation and fracturing straddle packer technology. Infinite class fracturing. Fracture the selective horizon. Dispense with the separate cleaning of bottom sand. Fast, efficient, and transfer leisure in short time. Monitor bottom pressure in real time. Meet the production requirement after tripping out coiled tubing. The engineering service teams of Kerui Holding Group Oilfield Services Division service for all the world major oil field with advanced technology, stable and reliable equipment, and obviously increasing production. Technology leading the future. Better service, higher quality. Make the acquisition of oil and gas more efficient. Kerui Group.